Ready to modernize your small business and make payment a breeze for your customers? If you're still relying on cash-only or clunky card readers, you're likely missing out on sales. Today, almost everyone uses peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo. Did you know you can easily harness the power of Venmo to accept payments for your small business? It's simple, quick, and exactly what we're going to dive into today. Setting up your Venmo business profile. First things first, you need a Venmo business profile. A standard personal account just won't cut it, and using one for business can actually violate Venmo's terms of service. The great news is setting up a business profile is straightforward. If you already have a personal account, you can create a business profile right within the app. Just look for the option to create a business profile in your account settings. When setting it up, you'll need to provide some basic information, your business name, a description of what you do, and the category your business falls under. Pick a clear profile picture and a nice header image. This is your business's face on Venmo. Once it's approved, your business profile gives you a few key advantages over a personal account. It keeps your personal and business transactions separate, which is a lifesaver come tax time. It allows your customers to pay you without having to share their personal phone number or email. It adds a layer of buyer and seller protection for both you and your customers. How to accept payments. Now that you're all set up, how do your customers actually pay you? There are three main ways, and they're all incredibly simple. 1. The Venmo QR code. This is the fastest and most popular method for in-person transactions. Every business profile gets a unique, printable QR code. You can find this code in the app and then print it out to display at your point of sale, maybe next to your cash register, on a table at a craft fair, or on the packaging for your food truck. Your customer simply opens the Venmo app, hits the scan button, points their camera at your code, enters the amount, and taps pay. It's instant and contactless. 2. Your unique Venmo username. Every business profile also has a unique username, like at your shop name. For transactions where the customer might not be physically present, like over the phone, or when sending an invoice, you can just give them your username. They search for your name, verify it's your business profile, and send the money. This is perfect for online orders or service payments. 3. Sharing a payment link. The third method is using a direct payment link. You can generate a link in the app that you can share via text, email, or even post on your social media. When customers click it, they're taken directly to the payment screen for your business. Understanding fees and payouts. It's important to understand the business side of things. Venmo charges a small, standard processing fee for business transactions, which is typically a percentage plus a fixed small fee, similar to what you'd pay for a credit card. You can find the most up-to-date rate on Venmo's website. The customer will pay the listed amount, and the fee is automatically deducted before the money hits your Venmo balance. For payouts, you can transfer the money from your Venmo balance to your linked bank account. You usually have two options, a standard transfer, which is free but takes 1 to 3 business days, or an instant transfer for a small, additional fee. By setting up a Venmo business profile, utilizing your QR code, and understanding the small fees